So, welcome to the part 2 of profit loss discount. Now we will be discussing discount problem along with profit and loss also. So first, what is a discount? Discount is actually given for promoting the sales, to increase the sales. So every shopkeeper or every manufacturer will increase the price to a fake price from a original price. That is called marked price. So the cost price is actual price. From that they increase the price to a fake value, that is called marked price. And the increment is called markup value also. Let's assume 1000 rupees the cost price. I increase to 1500. So this will be called as cost price. This will be called as mark price. And this 500 is called as markup value. So on this mark price only, one will give discount. So all the discounts are given on a fake price only. Then only the shopkeeper will realize some profit. And the discount scheme is nothing but to promote the sales, as I already told. Okay. So from this, if I give discount, I should consider this as the initial value. From the initial value, I should reduce the percentage of discount step by step if there are more than one discount. Okay. So let's see a sample problem. Let's assume the mark price is 1800 and discount 1 is 20%, discount 2 is 10%. Find the selling price after 2 successive discount. What do you mean successive discount mean? First 20% will be reduced from this. From the reduced value, 10% will be reduced. But it is not necessarily this should be first, this should be second. You can change the order. Does not matter. You can change the order as you wish. So let me take 20% first. So 20% of this should be subtracted first. So what is that? Calculate 20% of this. 10% 180, 20% 360. So subtract 360, we get 1440. So 1800 reduced to 1440. Now calculate second discount on this and that will be a final value of SP. Which means I should calculate 10% of this number and subtract from the same number. So what is 10% of this number? 144. Subtract from the number 10 minus 4 6, 13 minus 4 9, 2 and 1. So the number will be 1296. So this is the selling price. When 2 discounts are mentioned on 1800, we get the selling price as 1296. Is that clear? So let's see next example to solve many problems on discount. Let's see now. Mark price is 1500 and discount 1% is 20%. After giving this discount, still we got a profit of 20%. If that is the case, find cost price. How we can handle this question? Whenever the discount and profit is compared, we need to connect them through selling price. How? When the profit is 20%, what is selling price? Selling price nothing but 120% of CP. Correct? On the other hand, when the discount is 20%, what is the SP? 80% of mark price, because only one discount. From the initial value, 20% is subtracted. The remaining will be 80%. So now CP and MP are connected. How they are connected? 120% of CP equal to 80% of MP. So what is CP upon MP? CP upon MP is equal to 80 upon 120. Nothing but 4 by 6 or simply 2 by 3. Which means if my cost price is 2 rupee, then my mark price is 3 rupee. Or ulta, when the mark price is 3 rupee, cost price is 2 rupee. What is the mark price? 1500. If 3 goes to 1500, then 1 goes to 500. Then 2 goes to 1000. Therefore, my cost price is 1000. This is how we have to connect CP and MP quickly and arrive at a conclusion. Let's see next problem. Let's see this question. An article is sold at 1280 rupees 1280 after two discounts of 20% each, which means first also 20%, second also 20%. Find the marked price. What is the marked price? We don't know. So marked price is MP. What is the first discount? 20%. Then how much will be remaining? 80%. So now this is the second price. From the initial price, second price. Now from the second price, again discount is given. How much given? Same 20%. So you can write as again 80%. This is equal to our selling price. After two discounts of 20% each, we got the selling price. What is selling price? 1280. So substitute here 1280. Here comes our squaring methods, which we studied already in percentage and previous square shortcut videos. 80% of 80% is how much? 8 square. What is 8 square? 64. So you can write directly 64% of MP. 80% of 80% is 64%. Now look at the number 64, 128. Exact multiple. Exactly 2 times. Therefore, 1% is 20. So 100% MP. How much? 100 times 2000. So the mark price in the problem is 2000. This is how we have to connect 2 or 3 discounts with selling price directly. Let's say next one. In this question it is given, when the discount is 20%, profit earned is 25%. How we have to connect? Through selling price. Okay. Finding the profit percent if the discount is reduced by 50%, which means compared to the first discount, second discount will be half of them will be reduced. What is the first discount? 20%. Half of them is 10%. So 10% will be reduced, remaining will be 10%. That is the meaning of reduced by 50%. Is it clear? Second discount is 10%. We need to calculate second case profit. Simple. First discount is 20%. So it is 80% of MP. First profit is 25%. So it is 125% of CP. That is the way you have to connect discount with profit directly. Next, second case is 10% discount. So 90% MP equal to, let's say, X percent CP. Remember, my X value will be more than 100 because it is given profit. Suppose my X value is 140, then my answer is 40% profit. How we can solve this? In a very direct and quick way, simply divide them. Simply divide them. CP cancel, MP cancel, percentage symbol cancel, even 0, 0 cancel, only numbers. 8 by 9 equal to 125 by X. Therefore, X is equal to 9 times 125. 8 times 125 is 1000. Okay? It is 9 times. So, it is 1125. Divided by 8 is the answer. So, in 11 1 time, in 32 4 times, in 5 no times, so point, in 50 approximately 6 times. So, I get X is equal to 140.6. This means the actual profit is 40.6%. This is the profit in second case. So this is how we have to handle discount with selling price, cost price problem. So these two parts video will completely tell you how to solve profit, loss, discount problem. So kindly watch the videos, like if you really like the video, subscribe to the channel and share with your friends. Thank you everyone.